Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Smartsheet. If you've ever had cells with text or data that just won't fit properly, this simple technique will help you display everything clearly without any content getting cut off. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your existing sheets and files are displayed. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing sheets or files. Look for the specific sheet where you want to increase the row height. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open. This step is important because you need to be working within the actual sheet to make any adjustments to the row dimensions. Once the sheet loads, you'll want to locate a cell that contains a lot of data, text that's getting cut off, or information that simply can't fit within the current height of the row. Click on that cell to select it. Now look over to the Builder tool at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find an option called Wrap. Go ahead and click on Wrap. What this does is automatically adjust the row height based on the amount of data inside the cell. The text will wrap within the cell, and the row will expand vertically to accommodate all the content. This ensures that everything is visible and nothing is hidden or truncated. But what if you need to apply this to multiple cells at once? Smartsheet makes this easy. You can select multiple cells in a couple of different ways. If you want to select a continuous range of cells, click on the first cell, then hold down the Shift key and click on another cell. This will highlight all the cells in between. Alternatively, if you need to select non-adjacent cells, click on one cell, hold down the Control key, and then click on each additional cell you want to include. Once you've selected all the cells you need, click Wrap again. This will apply the row height adjustment to all selected cells at once, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your sheet. And that's it. You've successfully increased the row height in Smartsheet by using the Wrap feature, making all your data fully visible and your sheet much easier to read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.